Hi, I'm Ben O'Reilly from Wood Finishes Direct, and in this video I'm going to be telling you the key things you should consider before you purchase the Man's Premier UV decking oil. But first of all, what is it? The Man's Premier UV decking oil is a durable solvent-based finish that isn't just suitable for hardwood and softwood decking, it's also suitable for all other exterior timber. As an added benefit, and as the name suggests, it also contains handy UV filters that act a little bit like a sun cream that protect the wood from harmful UV rays. A handy tip before we get started is to keep an eye on the weather forecast, as we are going to need a couple of clear days to get the project done properly. Trust me, it'll be worth it in the end. Fresh and new decks that have been laid in the last 6 months don't need a huge amount of prep work to get the project started. You just have to give them a good sweep down with a broom, a jet wash off to give it a clean, and you're good to go. If you are the owner of a well-maintained deck, then you have done yourselves a massive favour, so give yourself a pat on the back. All you're going to have to do is give it a sweep down with a stiff bristle broom and a jet wash off to remove any of the old finish, and then just check the boards. You're looking for missing screws or any kind of loose or damaged boards, give them a replace and you are ready to get started. Now be honest with me, has your deck seen better days? It's probably going to need a bit of a deeper clean. Start by giving it a sweep off to remove any of the surface dirt or debris, and then give it a clean down with one of our trusted decking cleaners. Is your deck looking a bit grey and frazzled? Well, a little insider info. All you have to do is use a decking reviver and it'll bring it back to life. It really is like magic. You've cleaned and revived, if necessary, your deck. Give it a wash down with a jet cleaner just to remove any of the leftover cleaner or reviver, and then check for any damage. So you're looking for, again, missing screws or any damaged or rotting boards, just give them a replace and you're ready to start your project. If your deck is a little bit older or you're not sure if it's pressure treated, it's a good idea to give it a coat of a wax-free preservative. This helps mitigate the risk of any rot or any wood-boring creatures getting into your deck and doing damage. It's also a good idea on any new decking to make sure that you preserve the ends, as where you have cut the wood is opened up that area and that area will not be preserved. And now onto the look. The Man's Premier UV decking oil comes in a clear version that enhances the tone of the wood and deepens the colour. It also has 3 colours to choose from: a light oak, a natural oak, and a dark oak. So whatever you're going for, the Man's UV decking oil has you covered. If you need any further technical advice or information about your project, why don't you give us a call or email and put us to the test? We are the experts after all. A full list of all the products featured in today's video will be in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And as always do a test area.